Hi guys, how you doing? Good evening. Welcome to my live. Okay, so now March series is done, dusted, and actually today was a okay flattish day, but the series has ended nicely. You know, Nifty is up, Nifty is up around 5%. Uh, on This is a fiscal year 25 has ended today. So Nifty is up 5%. Also, Nifty Sensex both are 5% up. This despite of so many turmoils like this, uh, so many things we saw. Like September 2024, में we were on a all-time high. Market was where it was 85,000 Sensex था. So अब उसके बाद इतना गिरा, उसके बाद वो 5 month वाला लाल आया, then it recovered and it has managed to close above in positive above 5%. And Trump tariff and ये सब भी है, इसके despite of all this it has kind of closed in the with positive returns. Okay, so which is good. I mean, week on week Nifty has been up for 1% up there. So it's like, so March series is better than the last five series which were in negative, if you remember, after around 29 years कुछ ऐसे था. So this was a good series. I hope this continues to happen in April, though April is news heavy. The next week is news heavy. We have April 2 definitely is coming. Also, we have RBI MPC. RBI is likely to cut rates by 25 BPS. Um, to infuse the liquidity. That can be, I think, around March 9. Oh, sorry, April 9. April 9 को है वो भी एक बड़ा इवेंट है. उसके अलावा और भी जॉब्स डेटा, यूएस के डेटा, inflation data, all these are also expected in this coming week. So this coming week is also going to be very heavy, news heavy. So let's see how things happen. I'll quickly wrap how was the March series. So March series snapped last five series ke losses. It kind of closed in the positive zone, as I already said. Um, PSU banks, energy, and media, these were the laggards. And talking about the series, total series, financials, of course, did well. Nifty Bank is kind of up. Uh, if we see that uh, financials की बात करूँ तो it was up, it's on up around 19%. Metal Pharma have also delivered good returns, 10 to 11% returns है metals and pharma के. And uh, energy, media, these were the laggers. I think I've already said this. Okay, so now it's like we know the reasons. The reasons were like, we know Trump का था, and also the macros have been very uncertain. And majorly these tariff wars, they are the reasons. But apart from that, yes, the broader market has started participating. Mid caps are doing well today. Of course, mid caps were not doing well today. Today it was a very shant kind of a market. People have booked profit because I would have also booked profit. I did not trade today. I was on a chutti today. I'm kind of unwell. So, I did not trade today, but if I was trading, I would have also booked profit because, April 2nd, Monday is a chutti for us. We are not trading on Monday. Eid ka chutti hai, Monday, because markets are shut. So, it's like, I would have also booked profit, but yes, the biggest story was that story is actually FIIs have turned buyers now. Thursday को in fact 11,000 crore rupees का buying हुआ है FIIs. Okay, and this is after a long gap. So it's like US से अब थोड़ा इधर आ रहा है पैसा because the dollar has kind of become weak. The rupee has done very well. Rupee is around 85.4. It has been a good run for rupee also. 3 month high पे है rupee. So, and our current deficit is good, in favor of the exports. So this, all these, are like it. I can say very easily that March series has ended on a very good note. Okay. FIIs have turned positive and positive bias. Okay, so now as we look into the next series, which is the April series, how is the market likely to remain? So it's like with cautious optimism. Experts are looking at the coming series, which is the April series, which begins on 1st April, uh, and it's like you have to be selective. Your 2025 is likely to remain like this only. It's like Madhu Kela, जो investor है बहुत well known, उनका मैं interview देख रही थी. He was saying that you cannot expect the markets to give you returns like it gave post COVID, especially this year. With so much of uncertainty happening. क्रूड भी थोड़ा वापस ऊपर हो गया, $74 per barrel हो गया. So there's so many things, so many moving parts happening. So you cannot expect this year to give you that kind of returns. But cautious optimism still it is there. Some experts believe that bull market we've entered. Some are like we're still not out of woods because we crossed that 22 800 wala mark, which was a very crucial level, after which we were thinking that, we can say that we are in a bull market, but we've kind of slipped down, okay, and slipped down nicely, okay. Of course, 23,500 has been respected. As I said, that is the key issue. I've been tweeting about it. That is the key, level which I am watching. But today, of course, it has closed below it. It went below it quite a number of times today. No, 23,519 पे बंद हुआ है. So it is holding on to that level. Okay, जब मैंने देखा था बंद हो रहा था 23,504 some 93 कुछ था. Then I switched off the TV and all that. So settle होने के बाद this is 23,519 पे बंद हुआ है निफ्टी, and Sensex is 77,414. Okay, this is not holding the 77,500 mark. Okay, 78 हो गया था, we know that in this week itself. So this is kind of you know as I'm saying that it is holding on to those crucial levels, which is important, and which is a kind of a sign that yes, we are not doing that bad as we were doing earlier. But yes, most of the experts are like, let's wait and watch. Of course, this big hurdle of these tariffs and all it is there. And of course, a few good news also which has been coming is that अभी न्यूज आया है, ये एचएएल ने 62,000 करोड़ का ऑर्डर है. सीसीएस ने, कैबिनेट कमिटी ऑन सिक्योरिटी, हैज गिवन अ नॉट टू बाय 156 प्रचंड हेल्प. नाउ दीज आर सम स्टॉक्स व्हिच यू कैन वॉच आउट on the Tuesday. Okay, then there is this PLI scheme, EB, electronics components को PLI scheme 22,900 का कुछ स्कीम को कैबिनेट नॉट मिला. इससे डिक्सन has also done a JV. I'll just look at that article. So Dixon will be up on Tuesday, and also other EMS stocks, electronic manufacturing stocks, they will be also up. The good news is also there. I'm not saying they're only bad news, but you have to be cautiously optimistic. Okay, because this is still a bottoms up market because of the macros, and of course the RBI is going to cut rates. As most expectedly it is going to cut rates, so banks will again be in focus. So you can also, apart from the challenges, you also know the positives, the tailwinds. Okay, I'll see this news. It is, you know, it has Dixon has planned investments worth 400 crores in display module plant over 2 phases. Okay, now this is also uh, this is in the news. Okay, it's foraying into camera module manufacturing through an inorganic route. Okay, now this is they are getting into a JV. Okay, and ये तो एक न्यूज है ही, डिक्सन टेक की अलग से एक न्यूज है. बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, this is a JV with China's HKC. Okay, I'm not getting into this news in detail. You can read it. Okay, okay. But apart from that, yes, there is this cabinet PLI scheme code. 25,000 करोड़ का है ये, नॉट विला है. Okay, I just open that news. Okay, electronics manufacturing PLI scheme has, with an outlay of 25,000 crore. It has received a nod, and this is likely to attract. This article doesn't have it, but I read somewhere 58,000 crore ka investment it is likely to attract. Okay, so this is a big thing. So other EMS stocks they will also do well apart from Nixon, of course. Okay, plus I said already RBI is likely to cut rate. So उसकी वजह से निफ्टी बैंक और ये वो सब ऑफकोर्स दिस इज बाय April 9th I may be traveling, so I may not be able to do lives in the mid of the April. Okay, so these are some of the good news which is of course और अगर अच्छा है कुछ डॉक्टर जयशंकर ने बोला है that we are negotiating with China and all that, or with the US and all that. So maybe something good come out of those negotiations and all as far as the tariffs go. But yes, tariffs तो हैं और होंगे और ऑटो टैरिफ वाली कल न्यूज आई थी. आई डिड नॉट डू अ लाइव yesterday. उसकी वजह से ऑटो स्टॉक्स वर डाउन yesterday. Today also they were not doing that well. But yes, auto components के ऊपर Trump gave a comment in the night that he might look into it or he might be lenient on it. I think because of which Mother-son Sumi also gave a comment in the night. That it is not likely to impact that much, and because Mother-son Sumi is into these auto parts and all that kind of stuff. Okay, so so we have to be very. There's so many moving parts. That one. So where do we want one go? Buy good stocks, buy good companies, buy good businesses, and buy good managements. I've been saying this over and over again so that you don't land in trouble and also you can make profits even in this market. Okay, so this is kind of a wrap about this March series, which is good. Apart from that, today I'll talk about one stock which is now on my radar also. I don't have this stock currently, and actually, Dam Capital is bullish on this stock. This is Aadhar Housing Finance stock, and I look at it carefully. आज देखें ये कितने में बंद हुआ है? 422. This is 425. It has closed in the green today. It's up 0.3%, and this is this has been given a buy call by Dam Capital. I think I made note here, and yeah, okay. And I look at the uh, chart and all that. Okay, this was listed on 15th May last year. Okay. I look at the chart of the company. This is uh, as I look at the chart of the company, it is like it's not done so well and all that, but it's like it is now giving a breakout. Apart from their own reasons, I thought, okay, let me look at the chart and all that. So I looked at the chart, and it is now giving fresh breakouts. I'll show you also the chart. Hmm. Uh, okay, so this is giving a little breakout. We'll also look at the uh, what do you say, the financials of the company because they are important. Okay, see, this is the chart, okay, of the company. Now you can see this is giving a fresh. Oh, whatever. What did I open? What did I open? What did I open? This is giving a breakout here. ये ग्रीन कैंडल जब आया उसके बाद ये डैम कैपिटल का नोट आया. ये है ना, ये लंबा सा ग्रीन कैंडल उससे पहले भी था. स्लोली 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 इट वाज गोइंग अप. Okay, little corrections and all that, but it's again giving this green candle. This last thing is a doji kind of a thing, sideways वाला जो होता है 426 पे बंद हुआ ना 425 पे बंद हुआ है, it is here. So you can see 15 May last year this has listed. So it corrected quite a bit, listed here, okay, and then it corrected quite a bit, then it went up. So it has kind of made these one, two, these two bottoms. डबल बॉटम यहाँ पे ये कर चुका है ऐसे टेस्कॉन. Okay, now it is giving this fresh breakout. Okay, what is the target which DAM Capital has given that I am not written? Oh no. Okay, I'll search. Okay, so this is why they have kind of given the reasons which they have given. We'll also talk about them, but this is the chart of the company. I look at the financials of the company. यहाँ पे तो अभी ये इसको रिफ्रेश करते हैं. Yeah, okay, it's closed up at 425. It is one of the largest low income housing finance company. छोटे लोगों को छोटे घर बनाने के लिए this gives loans. And you know what, now someone will ask that it's like small segment premium houses are doing well. There's a V-shaped recovery in the real estate sector. Okay, the premium houses are doing well, they are selling, but the sub 50 lakh houses, they are not selling that well. When this company gives loans to housing finance to low income sections of the society. Okay, so now why is DAM Capital bullish on this company? Well, if you remember, PUM Awas Yojana, they are kind of into this low income housing and all that. So this can be associated with this. They'll just read, see, it's a low income housing company, and अच्छा इसका ticket size is even less than 15 lakh. The average size of the loan is 10 lakh. Okay, तो 15 लाख वगैरह ऐसे उससे कम लोन ये लोग देते हैं. And they have a network of 557 branches in all these in 21 states. It offers mortgage-related loan products for residential property purchases, construction, home improvement, extension loans, and all that. They adopt a cautious borrowing approach. Banks borrowing mix: banks 51%, National Housing Bank 25%, and CDs 24%. Okay. What else? Diversification, it's everywhere. UP, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu, Madhya Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka, everywhere. They are across the country, and also they are backed by Blackstone Group. Okay, so this is what the company, what this NBFC does. If you look at the market cap, it is around 18,000 to 88 crore market cap thing. ROC is 11%. Return on equity is 18%, and the EPS is around 20 rupees. Okay, I look at the what is the target which DAM Capital has given for Aadhaar. Okay, wait, I'll just because I wrote, I don't know where, शायद दूसरे उसमें लिखा होगा. Okay. No, I can't find the target. See, when you listen to them, then only you make points. Okay. So I'll look up and I'll put it in the description box what is the target that they've given. But yes, they are bullish on it and they have bought this stock. They've added it. Okay, and they have kind of said that it is likely to uh, grow 21 to 22%. We're seeing growth of this around this and they're also saying that um, it is likely to give good EPS returns. Okay, I'll just come back to देखें financials देखें इसका chart हम देख चुके हैं. It is giving a fresh breakout, and if I look at the peer comparison, then its ROC is 11.6%, which is better than LIC Housing Finance, Hupco, Bajaj Housing, uh, Avas Finances. That is also interesting stock. Aptus value अच्छा उसका better है. Actually, it is better than most of its peers ROC के हिसाब से. Quarterly results, if I look at, then the net profit is good, has gone up from 228 crores to, this is a quarterly thing, to 239 crore rupees. It has consecutively gone up. EPS has also gone up from 5 rupees 20 paisa to 5 rupees 50 paisa. It's if I look at the year on year thing, then also its net profit has gone up from 750 crores to 869 crore rupees. This is TTM. ओके 23 की बात करें तो इट वाज 545 करोड़ रुपीस टू उसे बढ़ के 750 करोड़ हुआ ये 24 में. नाउ इट इज 869 करोड़ रुपीस व्हिच इज टीटीएम. ओके, ईपीएस इज आल्सो गॉन अप फ्रॉम 18.9 to 20.6. okay, its earning per share is also continuously going up. Return on equity 17% for last 3 years. Last year it was 18%. okay, so it is showing good, it has good balance sheet, good promoter holdings is 75%, FIIs have 4%, DIs have 9%, and public has 10% stake in the company. So this looks like good stock to me. Okay. So this is one of the I thought I'll look at it because this is पहले भी जब इसका वो हुआ था, जब इसका IPO हुआ था, at that time where was I? Oh, I was on a holiday. 15th May, no? Yeah, I was on a holiday, so I did not see. But then, of course, it has been coming up in news. 52-week high is 516, okay, and 52-week low is 292, and इसका adjusted PE is 21, okay, price to earning. Okay, so this looks like a good decent stock to me. That's why I thought I'll also look at it. आराम से देखते हैं इसको बैठ के. So it looks like a decent stock to me. So this is Aadhar Housing Finance, and we know that finance stocks are in finance, NBFC, and of course this RBI MPC is also coming, and it is expected that the RBI is likely to cut rates. There's one more thing which I want to say uh, is that the inflation figures are likely to come out further in a better position, because I'll tell you what is the expected rate. It is around 4.2 if I'm not wrong. 4.5 है expected. Let me see. Toss check कर लें. So that is also likely to, because you might have noticed that inflation has come down. We saw the last figures also, they were pretty good. Okay, so it has been FY25 CPI would be revised down marginally to 4.6, yes, as compared to 4.8. Okay, so that is also likely to give a fillip to consumption stock, consumer discretionary stocks. Okay. Okay, RBI has projected retail inflation for the next financial year to be at 4.2%. And for the current year, which was 24-25, 4.8%. Okay, so 4.2 is the figure. Okay. But yes, उसको भी खतरे हैं. गर्मी बहुत ज़्यादा है. Monsoon अगर affect हो गया, so then inflation can go up. See, there are so many moving parts. You have to be on your toes if you are investing in stocks. That's why the main pockets are healthcare, pharma, consumer discretionary towards the premium side, because that is doing well. tourism, travel, summer stocks, EMS, we are seeing, defense, they are doing well. Tariff इंसुलेटेड जो स्टॉक्स होते हैं उनमें हेल्थ केयर हो गया. Okay, then we have pharma. I'm also writing. I'll also forget. Consumer discretionary towards the premium side, not the FMCG. Travel, tourism, of course, financials. बोर हो गए financials सुन के. What else? Healthcare, pharma, consumer discretionary, ये वो travel, tourism. What else? Financials हो गया. There was one more, EMS. Okay, and defense. So many pockets you have. Okay, industrials we have to a certain extent, but yes, you have to be more domestic facing, the better. I'm also making this list. Okay, so these are the pockets which you can look for in April series, which will end. Sorry, this FY25 to FY26, which will end next year, March, May, and this April series may be. I think these are the pockets. ट्रैवल टूरिज्म बिकॉज ऑफ समर के स्टॉक बोल सकते हैं. समर चल रहा है अभी, बट वी रखूंगा द होल FY26. Okay, so these are the pockets where you can look at. And apart from that, yes, I'll give you some targets of some stocks which have come out. पावर में पावर प्ले जो है, पावर मतलब ये जो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पावर है, इसमें PFC, REC, IRETA, these are the most favored by most of the experts. PFC का नया टारगेट भी है 450. ओके, एंड यू हैव, अच्छा RIL के ऊपर अच्छा नोट था आज, आई वाज रीडिंग समवेयर दैट आल्सो हैज अ न्यू टारगेट ऑफ 1640. दिस इज बाय गोल्डमैन सैक्स. आई वाज रीडिंग दिस आर्टिकल, this note on RIL. Then you have ITC hotels. ITC hotels के ऊपर मैक्वेरी का नया टारगेट है 230. Let me check. Okay. Yes, 230. Okay, my Macquarie. Okay. You see, there are stocks, and these are stocks which are you know which have good management, which have demand. अभी उनका टाइम भी है. ट्रेंड को भी नया मैक्वेरी ने टारगेट दिया है 7000 का. They've given a long note on trend. In fact, they have said that this is one of the best retail stocks in Asia. Okay, they've given a lot of pointers for that. And also then you have what is the other one? Info Edge 7500. नौकरी ढूंढ रहे हैं लोग. There are so many layoffs happening, so people are probably looking at Info Edge. Okay, so this is where I'll end this live, this March series or the good series. I hope this gets repeated. And for the next series, yes, we have so many factors to watch out for. We have Wall Street, we have Trump tariffs, we have इन्फ्लेशन फिगर्स. यहाँ तो ठीक है, US में देखना है बिकॉज महंगाई बढ़ेगी वहाँ. यहाँ भी अच्छा, मेडिसिन आर बिकमिंग एक्सपेंसिव फ्रॉम 1st April फॉर योर इंफॉर्मेशन. या, and what else? We have to watch the dollar, we have to watch the rupee. Rupee is doing well, but still we have to watch. We have to watch oil, we have to watch gold. Gold is doing exceptionally well. We have to watch we have to watch what Fed. We have to watch the Fed. Okay, we'll talk about them as and when they come. Okay, so I'll end this live here. Have a great weekend. Monday is a chutti in markets, so have a great Monday also. Enjoy your day, and yes, believe in the India story, and please do not stop your SIPs no matter what happens. Okay, so I'll take your leave. Good night and take care, and stay positive about the India story. And yes, subscribe to the channel and share the video if you like it. And if you have something to say about the video, you can definitely write in the chat box. Good night. Take care.